This is Professor L.B. Gayakwad, English Literature Wave. I am Professor L.B. Gayakwad talking on the subject a sample letter of congratulation. What is the congratulation? Congratulation means the particular occasion on which there is one person and he has got something in his life, or some great occasion has come into his life, and that's why we congratulate that person. And here today we are discussing on the sample letter of the congratulation. Means this is the example of the congratulation letter. Here the subject is congratulations on success in examination. Means here the candidate has passed his examination in the merit, or he has got the merit nicely, and it is our duty to congratulate this candidate, and that's why here we have taken this example as the congratulation of this candidate. So the subject is congratulations on success in examination. For example, here now shows that the letter is beginning from here, and here is the address of the sender. Remember, at first we should give here the address of the sender. So this is the address of the sender. So what is the address of the sender? Shyam Mohan Thorat, 17th Ganpati Nagar, Jalgaon, and 15th October 2020. So here this is the address of the sender. So remember, how is the address written? That is the question, and the address is always written in this way, that Shyam Mohan Thorat, comma 17th, comma Ganpati Nagar, comma Jalgaon, full stop, 15th October 2020, full stop. Remember, this is the address, name, date of the sender. Means the sender is writing at first his address here, and he is writing the letter to the receiver, and that receiver is Mohan Girase Dhule. So remember, Mohan Girase Dhule is the address or name of the receiver. Means the sender is sending this letter to Mohan Girase Dhule. So this is the sender and this is the receiver. Means this gentleman is sending this letter and Mohan Girase is receiving this letter. So here we saw two points, and first point is the address of the sender, and the second point is the address of the receiver. Now there is the point of the subject. What is the subject? There is the congratulation on success in examination. Means the subject is showing that there is the congratulation on success in examination. Means there is the candidate, and this candidate has got the success in examination, so it becomes the duty, and that's why this Shyam Mohan Thorat is congratulating his friend, and that's why here he tells dear friend. What he tells? Dear friend, comma, and he wants to congratulate his friends very nicely, that's why he says dear friend, comma. So remember, here we have come to this point that when we start this letter, after this part, when we write this letter, we should write there dear friend, because we are writing this letter to our friend, or this Shyam Mohan Thorat is writing this letter to his friend. That's why we should say dear friend, comma. So write always as I have written here. Means I have written dear friend, comma. So write like this. This is the rule of the method of the letter. And then now after this dear friend, comma, now this is the beginning of the body of the letter. The body of the letter means total description of the letter. Total description of the letter means what? The total information which we want to say, or the information which the sender wants to say. So this is called the body of the letter, or the information of the letter, or the subject of the letter. So the subject of the letter is, I am confident of your good health. Now remember, this sentence shows that the sender is inquiring about the health of the receiver, because when we are going to write him the congratulation letter, it is our duty to inquire about his health, because we should be conscious of his health, because he is our friend, and in the beginning we should be conscious of his health, and that's why here is the sentence that I am confident of your good health. Means this Shyam Mohan Thorat is feeling that his friend is very good in health. Means he is not ill, he is very happy, means there are no problems in front of him. So this is the say, or this is the opinion of the Shyam Mohan Thorat, and that's why he says, I am confident of your good health. I heard you stood first in BA English examination of KBC NMU Jalgaon. So the Shyam Mohan Thorat is telling his friend that he has heard that this Mohan Girase has stood first in the BA English examination of KBC NMU Jalgaon. Means this is the main reason, and that's why he is congratulating this Mohan Girase. This Mohan Girase has stood first in the BA English examination of the KBC NMU Jalgaon, and that's why he is writing this congratulation letter to this Mohan Girase Dule. Then he is telling him, or then he is requesting him to accept his hearty congratulations. So he says, accept my hearty congratulations. Means here, this gentleman, means this Shyam Mohan Thorat is congratulating him, and that's why he is requesting to accept his hearty congratulation, because this Mohan Girase should accept his hearty congratulation. If he does not accept that hearty congratulation, then the purpose of writing the congratulation letter will be lost, and that's why he requests here that the friend, means this Mohan Girase, should accept his hearty congratulation. So he says here, accept my hearty congratulation. We are happy on your success. Now we are happy on your success. It means that this Shyam Mohan Thorat and his total family are very much happy on the success of this Mohan Girase, because this Mohan Girase has got the first rank, or he has stood first in the BA examination, and that's why he gives him the guarantee that we all are very much happy on your success. Convey my congratulations to your parents. So means he is requesting him that we all are very much happy on the success of this Mohan Girase, but now he is requesting him that convey my congratulations to your parents also. It means that he has requested this Mohan Girase, that this Mohan Girase should convey his congratulations to his parents also, because it is not only the hard work of this Mohan Girase, but it is the hard work of his parents, because parents teach their sons and daughters as they work in the life, and here only because of the culture of this family, only because of the culture of this family that Mohan Girase has stood first in the examination, and that's why it is the success of the parents also, and that's why here this Shyam Mohan Thorat is requesting this Girase, yes, this Mohan Girase to convey his congratulations to his parents also. And then he says, I know you have labored so much. So here, this Shyam Mohan Thorat says that this Mohan Girase Dhule has labored so much in his life because he is the studious student, or he was the studious student, and that's why he stood first in the examination, and that's why he has written here that I know you have labored so much. So this sentence shows that the friend of Shyam Mohan Barathe means Mohan Girase Dhule is very much clever boy, brilliant boy. Because of his hard work, he has got the first rank in the examination of the university, and that's why he says, I know you have labored so much on study. On study means he has taken extra labor on his study. This hard work has given you this reward or this award. It means here this gentleman is congratulating him that this is the hard work before him, and this hard work is only because of his hard labor, because he has taken the hard labor in his life, and because of this hard labor or because of this hard working he has got the particular success, or he has stood first in the BA English examination, and that's why here this is nothing but the success of his hard work in his life, and so he says that this hard work has given you this reward or this award. No doubt you credited your school, your parents, your friends and your relatives. Now this is the congratulation, and under this congratulation this Shyam Mohan Thorat is writing him that there is no doubt means there is guarantee, totally there is the guarantee, and with this guarantee he says that no doubt you credited your school, means this Mohan Girase has credited his school because his school has taught him, or all the teachers have taught him, and he has given them the publicity, the popularity, and that's why this Mohan Girase has given the credit to his school, to his parents. Now parents are also respected, parents are also credited, or parents are also I will say given the particular publicity by this boy, and that's why here he is talking that no doubt you credited your school, your parents, your friends. Now remember, his friends are also respected here because he is the friend. This Mohan Girase is the friend of such friends, and he lives always with these friends who have the particular culture of study, and that culture has come to this Mohan Girase, and that culture has taught him to study regularly, and he has studied very much regularly, and because of that regular study, or because of the company of those friends and I will say relatives, this Mohan Girase has got the first rank in the BA English examination, and he has stood first. Remember, he has stood first in the BA English examination of the university. Means there is no student like him, and there are many students, but actually he has stood first, and that is the credit of the friends of the school, parents, friends and relatives, and that's why here this Shyam Mohan Thorat tells that no doubt you credited your school, your parents, your friends and your relatives. I hope you shall get a scholarship. And now remember, this Shyam Mohan Thorat is really the scholar student, talented student, or he is the brilliant student, shining student, and such a shining student will get really the scholarship. And so here this Shyam Mohan Thorat has shown his confidence that I hope you shall get a scholarship. Means here this sentence shows that this Mohan Girase Dhule is really a very much brilliant boy, and he will really get a scholarship in his life because he has stood first in the examination of the university. And that's why he says, I hope you shall get a scholarship. Congratulating you again. Now remember, congratulating you again is the end of the letter. It is the end of the letter. Means when we are writing the congratulation letter, then we should write always this sentence. Means we should write this phrase. How? Congratulating you again means again because we are going to end this letter, or this this sender is going to end this letter, and that's why again he says that is saying that congratulating you again. Congratulating you again means what? He is congratulating him again, because again he is praising him, because this boy, this Mohan Girase, has done the great work in the university. He has stood first in the university, and that's why this Shyam Mohan Thorat, his friend, has become very much happy. And with his happiness, again he congratulating you again. With this sentence, we will say that to end this letter, he talks here, sincerely yours. Now, sincerely yours is the phrase which is telling that this Shyam Mohan Thorat should give him the honest remark, because this Mohan Girase Dhule is the sincere boy, and he is ending now this letter. That's why he says that sincerely yours, because really this Shyam Mohan Thorat is the sincere friend of this Mohan Girase Dhule, and that's why here he says sincerely yours. Then there is the end of the letter, and he has given his own name, means Shyam Mohan Thorat. So Shyam Mohan Thorat is the name of this friend, or this is the name of the sender. So here we have finished the letter, but here again I will tell you that this letter has the parts. How are these parts? We will see. So this is the first part. Shyam Mohan Thorat, 17th Ganpati Nagar, Jalgaon, 15th October 2020. This is the name and address of the sender. Mohan Girase Dhule, this is the name and address of the receiver. And subject, this is the part of the subject. Dear friend, this is the subscription. Means here he has given the respect to his friend, and that's why he has said here, dear friend. Then I am confident, means from I am confident of to the scholarship. This is the part which is showing here the body of the letter. The body of the letter, it means that this is the total description, this is the total information which this Shyam Mohan Thorat wants to suggest his friend Mohan Girase Dhule. So this is called the I will say the body of the letter. Then congratulating you again, this is the end of the part, and here congratulating you again, this is the again he is congratulating him, and that's why this is the last part. And sincerely yours is here again the end, and Shyam Mohan Thorat is here the signature or the name of this gentleman, and that's why here is the total letter, which is the letter under the rules of the grammar. Means when you are writing this letter you should write like this. Means I have written every sentence or every line I have written below each other, and means I have not broken these lines. Means I have not taken one line here and then one line there. Means I have put them, or I have written them below each other like this. And so you should write this letter in this order. You should not put the sentences here or there, because this is the new method of writing the letter. So here today we have seen the sample letter of congratulation. Tomorrow we will see the next lecture. But before ending, I will request you again to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.